Hey guys, sharing what I ordered for February. We've got our 3 bags of granola. It's no added colors, flavors, or preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup, non-GMO ingredients, made with whole grains, and it's a vegan recipe. We've got our sulferzyme powder. I believe only the powder has the prebiotic, so good for gut, skin, hair, nails. We've got our Thieves hand sanitizer refill. So who doesn't need hand sanitizer nowadays? We've got my bar soap, my husband's bar soap. We've got our Thieves dish soap, our Thieves laundry soap, concentrate, so this lasts longer than you would imagine. Let's see, and then we've got our kids line lotion. My youngest daughter has horribly dry skin right now, and thus far as I've been using little Leo's lotion on her, which has worked wonderfully. A little bit goes a very long way, but now we'll see how this does on her skin. So that is this month's order. Oh, and these oils, these are free gift with purchase along with free shipping. There are more free gifts with purchase depending on how much you order. I just missed out on the 3rd tier. You get this cute little dropper bottle, so you can do your diffuser blends and then just do the one bottle instead of doing like 3 or 4. So next time I gotta pay more attention to how close I am to the next tier. All right, I will see you guys next time. Bye.